Hey, welcome back, everybody. It's 9:15. You know, at Surgical Associates, they'll help you get from diagnosis to post-operation with a sensitive but solutions-focused approach to patient care. We're welcoming Dr. Roger Siemens this morning to talk about Surgical Associates. Also, some good information for folks who deal with acid reflux. And we're going to talk about that in a few moments. A lot of people, all of a sudden, they got their attention.
I hope so.
Most definitely, yeah, because that's a problem for a lot of folks. First off, though, we're going to talk about Surgical Associates. And you guys have been around for a number of years and grown over the years to incorporate a lot of doctors, a lot of nurses, a lot of care and support staff.
That's correct. Surgical Associates was founded in 1966, and we're primarily focused in South Tulsa. There's a group of 12 general surgeons, and we do all sorts of general surgical procedures from head and neck surgery, primarily thyroid surgery. We do a lot of gastrointestinal operations for reflux, for stomach tumors, gallbladder surgery, anything to do with the intestinal tract. We have several surgeons who primarily focus on breast surgery and breast cancer surgery with a variety of new techniques and technology that have come out. We have surgeons who do colorectal surgery using a robotic technique.
So the newest and latest in technology.
So a variety of different things. Very involved previously in trauma care, established through our group, the EMS system here in Tulsa, and then the trauma care services at St. Francis Hospital. So a variety of different things that we can provide for the patients. Our motto is to be affable, available, and affordable, and I think we've done that over the last 45 years.
I was starting to say that says a lot about how long you guys have been around as a group right there.
That's exactly right.
Yeah. Now, as far as if someone had some of the problems that you just mentioned, whether it's cancer or whatever the problem, is it by referral that they come to you?
Primarily it is through their family physician, a gastroenterologist, cardiologist, whoever it may be, but it does not require a referral. If the patient has a problem, they think we can help, we're more than happy to see them. Getting an appointment is not a problem. Call our office, and any one of the surgeons who is available, oftentimes that very same day or within a couple of days, can see the patient. So availability is one of our strengths.
And you just mentioned the technology and how you guys are so advanced in that regard. Talk about one of the surgical procedures that you do. It's relatively new, the Tiff.
Okay. The Tiff operative procedure is a variation on treatment of chronic reflux disease. Primarily people who have reflux, heartburn, regurgitation, they take these proton pump inhibitors, a variety of different medications, and they're very effective, but they don't treat the reflux itself. A previous procedure called a Nissen fundoplication, where you did laparoscopic surgery, which many of our surgeons, primarily we do that as minimally invasive surgery. And this newer operation called the Tiff operation is called transesophageal
I think we've got some video of that too.
I think it's coming up in a second.
There we go.
And this operative procedure treats the reflux, but it does it transorally, so there's no incisions. And the benefit is that the patient can still burp a little bit, which may not seem important except for those people who have this. They don't have dysphagia or trouble swallowing afterwards, and they really get a very good relief of their symptoms of reflux and heartburn, get off their medication. So it's one of the newer techniques and technology to treat this disease.
Okay, again, on the top of it, so you want to check out Surgical Associates. Our Siemens, appreciate it, sir. Thank you very much for coming in this morning.
Thank you. Our pleasure.
Appreciate it. Surgical Associates, they've been around for a while and for a reason. 6465 South Yale Avenue, Suite 900, 918-481-4800. Surgical Associates, so satulsa.com is where you want to go.